สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome everyone to the ASEAN Law Minister Meeting 13. Very welcome you, all of you. And thank you very much for the Philippines for hosting this. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
It is with great pride that I welcome you all here in Manila as we open the 13th ASEAN Law Ministers Meeting. The Philippines reaffirms its commitment to working with all member states towards a stronger and more resilient ASEAN. Let us continue on this path as we make the rule of law the most enduring promise that we can make to our people. Together, let us honor that promise and work towards it, united in the belief that justice and fairness know no borders in ASEAN.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Welcome to the 13th ASEAN Law Ministers Meeting. It is both an honor and privilege to gather with all of you today as we once again come together to continue to strengthen our cooperation and unity across the ASEAN region. I look forward to the fruitful exchanges, insights, and resolutions that will emerge from our deliberations today. I wish all of us a productive and successful meeting. Thank you and salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you. Maraming salamat po.
It is also my first visit to Manila, and I thank you very much for the very warm welcome.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Signing of the ASEAN Treaty on Extradition stands as a milestone, a clear testament to how our shared commitment to justice and cooperation truly transcends borders. Tonight, as we celebrate this achievement and the enduring friendship among our nations, let us raise our glasses. Today marks a significant elevation in ASEAN-Japan cooperation. Our first ministerial level dialogue on law and justice, as well as the ASEAN-Japan Special Meeting of Justice Ministers and the inaugural ASEAN G7 Justice Ministers Interface. This is an opportunity for open and constructive dialogue about the challenges we face and collective strategies that can move us forward. In today's meeting, we not only achieve our primary objective of deepening our cooperation in law and justice, but we also elevated ASEAN-Japan relations towards the ASEAN G7 interface. As we return to our respective places of work, I am confident that our mutual commitment to the rule of law will lead us to a stronger collaboration to achieve our collective goals and address our common challenges. I wish to once again express my sincerest appreciation to each and every one of you for your invaluable contributions during this meeting. Maraming